What is a djembe drum? A djembe drum is a goblet-shaped hand drum that originated in West Africa, traditionally used for community gatherings and celebrations. But nowadays it's used for live performances, for drum circles, and also for making traditional music. There are many benefits to learning the djembe drum. It can help you improve your rhythm, timing, coordination, and it's suitable for all skill levels. Traditionally, djembe drums are made from a solid wood frame. They usually have a tuned rope system like this. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually undo this and adjust the tuning of the drum. Aside from that, we have the animal hide head, sometimes made from goat and sometimes synthetic. This is actually stretched over the frame and then it becomes part of the tuning system to adjust the tension of the drum. If it's tighter or loose, it will affect the tone. How you keep these drums in terms of temperature and humidity, that will also affect the tone. Because a mass-produced drum is made by a machine, each drum will sound pretty much exactly the same. They're made from the same materials. It's like a copy and paste. So everyone is the same. But with a drum like this from Ghana, each drum will sound completely unique. It will have variations within the specific wood, the density of wood, and also the tuning system will slightly vary. There'll be different tension throughout the drum, and each animal is also unique. The wooden frame is actually hollow inside, which creates a chamber for the sound to amplify. So when we strike the drum head, the sound actually comes from the bottom. How you hold the drum can affect the sound. We can hold the drum under our arm like this. If it's a small drum, we can do this, and then we can play. If it's a big drum, we may want to lay it down flat on the floor like this and sit on top of it and play, making sure not to block this part because we don't want to block the sound. The most common way to play a djembe is in between your legs, where you would wrap your legs around this part, holding it securely in place, and then you can play. With djembe drums, there are three main sounds. These are bass, tone, and slap. Bass, the bass part actually happens directly in the middle of the drum. The slap is a bit further away from the middle. And then the tone is directly on the edge. If you want to try the virtual djembe drum on our website, click on this video on screen now.